Within an 2-hour drive, having up this week, we visit Poulsbo, a small town in western Washington, with this 2023 summer road trip. We are starting in Poulsbo, a city on Liberty Bay, Washington, also affectionately known as Little Norway. So let's begin our series exploring this beautiful town. Taking a stroll across the downtown area that actually has a Scandinavian influence, features quaint shops, art galleries, restaurants, and cafes. Well, we come across many visitors discovering this local destination, a Scandinavian treat at Slurry Bakery, a pretty line out front of the building. It's good to be. The town has a friendly and welcoming atmosphere. Stroll along the streets, enjoy the charming town, and connect with the community. Or just browsing the Bohem's Chocolates, a local assortment of ice cream and chocolate truffles. Trying their ice cream, we felt pretty much on worth side by price and taste. Well, the town Poulsbo is not vastly spread across, so you pretty much soak in the vibe, hopping from one store to another. And Poulsbo waterfront is one of the city's main attraction, a scenic shoreline along the Liberty Bay. It's soothing and relaxing, one of our favorite spots to soak in the vibe. We come across Maritime Museum, knowing about how Poulsbo came to be as a town, presenting its commercial fishing history.
And she writes Eva Blue books.
Yes.
If visiting Poulsbo, you must stop by Gig Harbor. Absolutely beautiful harbor bay offers scenic view of water, boats, and the surrounding hills. The architecture often reflects the city's maritime heritage. It is absolutely soothing town.
See that boat? You see that boat?
The allure of small town life stands as a serene reminder of the simpler, quieter way of existence. While the urban landscape thrives on speed and dynamism, small town embrace a different rhythm, one that invites introspection, community bond, and a genuine connection to both people and place. Taking our next day destination to North Bend. Most of the summer weekend from Rattlesnake Ledge to Gold Creek Pond and winding up at Lavender Field. I hope you love exploring this weekend through our lens. See you next time with another series. Goodbye.